Alrighty, here we have the new project car. She's a TE Cortina 77 model. Got 2 litre in there, 4-speed. Basically just going to be video clips of just everything we'll be doing to it. Slowly fixing her up on a budget. And just taking you guys along for the ride. We'll see how she all goes. A lot of work involved. It's going to take some time, but that's what we've got. Just work with what we've got here, and yeah. It's a bit rough in places. I mean, it's to be expected. The old girl's not that young anymore. Got some holes to fix up, and yeah. Again, just thought I'd show you guys what we're working with. Only picked her up about 2 days ago. What's today? Sunday. So I picked her up on Friday, and yeah, slowly but surely we'll get somewhere. So yeah, she's a TE Cortina and a wagon. So this is going to be the project car. Will take some time because it's hard to get time off work and you know, family life and the rest of the stuff that goes with it, but we'll just see how everything goes. Alright, hope you enjoy, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.